Here I will introduce the preparation for the first use of FW450 V2. Open the box and prepare. Open the package, take out the blade, tail tube, menu, transmitter, battery, charger, helicopter body, and some wire. Remove the cockpit. Insert the tail tube. Connect GPS and flight controller. Tighten this, don't over-tighten. Use a 2.5 screwdriver. Remove the blade screw. Install the main blade, pattern upward, and tighten the screw. Adjust the resistance of the blade to the resistance of the water tapper, and insert another blade in the same way. How to charge? Connect the power line to the charge. Insert the charge into the power socket, and the charge screen will light up. At this time, insert the battery, and the screen will display the current power. When the helicopter is not in use for a long time, please charge and discharge the battery to 65%. When the battery is full, 99% will display, and the charging will stop automatically. Helicopter power on. Install the full number 5 battery into the transmitter. Press and hold the power button until the transmitter power on. Turn on the switch to the top at one time to complete the power on. Put the battery into the helicopter. Press and fix it. Connect the power plug with the helicopter. Don't move the helicopter after it power on. Waiting for the self-test to be complete. Helicopter power off. At the same time, press and hold the left and right power button. The screen shows that first disconnection the helicopter power. Unplug the helicopter battery and then press and hold the transmitter power again until the screen is turned off. Hold back of the battery with your finger and lift the front of the battery with your other hand to remove the battery. Here you have finished the preparation of FW450 V2.